Hello, gentlemen investors and traders. The information and analytical service is in System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with the corporation's summary data. Let's look at each parameter in more detail below. If necessary, it is possible to pause the video. We suggest taking a closer look at each parameter of the organization. Now we will analyze the current indicators of the corporation with you. Levi Strauss and Company, ticker LEVI. This review was created using current data as of July 12, 2025. By classification, Guru.Markets company Levi Strauss and Co. belongs to the subcategory Clothing Brands. 47 organizations are participating in the assessment. The result for the company under study is as follows: 2.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 1.4 points. If you look broadly, within the framework of the stock market in general, we see that the average result for the market as a whole is 1.8 points, against a score of 2.5 points for Levi Strauss and Company. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price Levi Strauss & Co. and subcategory companies, we see that over 12 months the shares Levi Strauss & Company showed a dynamics of 19.4%, against the price dynamics in the subcategory of 11.9%. Market capitalization of the organization Levi Strauss & Company amounts to $8.67 billion. With a market capitalization of $277 billion, the subcategory is worth $1.5 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $0.55 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $52 billion. By comparing the shares of stock exchange and book value, we can see the following. Occupied share Levi Strauss & Company in the subcategory when assessing stock market capitalization is 3.128%. Book value capitalization is 1.045%. Assessment of the organization's share of market and balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company's debt obligations amount to $0.584 billion. Financial liabilities to book capitalization amount to 107% of capital. The company's debt rating, bad, minus 1 point. The company's market price to profit ratio is 21.4. Average for the subcategory is 27.8. Evaluation of the stock exchange value to earnings ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Profit for the last 12 months was $405 million. Profits for the next 12 months are projected to be $570 million. Assessment of the indicator of projected future profit in comparison with the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The ratio of the company's value to revenue is 1.4. The average in the subcategory is 1.6. Evaluation of stock exchange price to revenue ratios compared to the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $6,330 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $8,160 million. Assessment of the indicators of projected future sales in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The sales margin is 6.4%, with an average of 5.8% in the subcategory. Profitability assessment compared to subcategory indicators, good, 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 3.327%. This is 6% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the company is equal to $464,000. While in the subcategory there are $494,000. Evaluation of the company's capital volume per employee compared to the indicators in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The amount of profit per individual employee is $21,700, with an average in the subcategory of $17,700. Evaluation of profit per individual employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's revenue per employee is $339,000. Subcategory, $308,000. Evaluation of the share of revenue per individual employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. Short shares account for 7.1%, compared to the subcategory average of 5.7%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 81% for the company Levi Strauss and Co. Whereas in the subcategory the RSI level, 14, is approximately 58%. The company's current stock price is approximately $21.96. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is around $22.93. Let's look at the order table. It is available to everyone. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions previously made in a given season by the evaluation information and reference System.GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the valuation of securities Levi Strauss and Co. Information and reference system of Assessment.GURU.Markets, the following decision was made. Do not open the deal, as this video is a review. Thank you all for watching this video and for using the information and reference system from Guru Markets.